There's some iron and stuff in there. It's been cut down, but a lot of iron down here. Oh well. He's emerging. See him way over there? Just that shine off the head of his. It's like a beacon. We'll go over here and check out what's been cut up, cleared real quick before we go, hopefully, unless he's got to go now. We'll see. Again, that's a Sasquatch right there. Boys, look at what Bobby's missing today.
What I've seen,
this is cleared out completely.
Way back, put new ones back here.
And the whole thing is cleared out. Look at that. We are going to tear this up today and tomorrow. Just going to show you what it looks like up close. There's all kinds of decoration on this buckle. Please be dirt. Yep. That's the little saw thingies right there. I don't even want to try to straighten this out, but I need to. You know that. But yeah, that's a little dainty piece of buckle. Look at that fancy stuff on there. We'll save this because I ain't gonna break it. That's awesome. First piece of really, really cool stuff. So here it is. She's been completely wiped out. Remember, this all looked like that crap over there. It's all cleaned out. Old Dan, he's up in there by the tractor. We've already been detecting, but hey, he's having a good time. Isn't that cool? The Dan, he's squatching it around. This here is pretty much the only place we could detect before. All this here, like I say, you've seen the videos. That's the pit where Bobby was standing in over there. Now look at it, it's completely open. It's led to two really nice finds. This is pretty cool. I ain't gonna say nothing bad about that. It's just a pocket knife, but it's rare to find one with a handle on it. Did you see that? That was ringing super high. You know this can't be a match to my other one, but it is. I got the other one.
What is it?
The other
salt and pepper shaker? Did you really?
Yep. Should I do that? Chopped her good too. I think she would have been pretty close to whole. Or not whole, but that's nuts. I'm talking 60 feet maybe to the other one. Probably 60 feet to the other one. That must. I'm getting silver anyway. It was in good shape, I think, till I whacked her. She got two good shovel marks on her. But how cool. Now the other one, I waddled her out. She looks fairly decent now, other than a crimp right up here. How crazy is that? Check that out. Pretty sure that's, you know, ceiling tile would have been around something round on the ceiling, like so. Just so you have an idea. But that's beautiful right there. Pretty cool. Pepper shaker. So we just hit silver, folks, on 94, and it rolled out. Look at this. I crunched it a little bit, but look at that beauty. Is that something or what? I don't think I did that because I don't see any fresh cracks, but yeah, there's some writing on her. There we go. I'm going to hold you right up here. Look at that thing. How cool is that? We're going to do a short real fast on that. 90 something. I just tore it all to pieces, I'm pretty sure. It was down underneath that log. See that? Oh Lord, look at that. That's a shame, busting something up like that. Oh, it's brass. It's really soft. Oh, well, you see that, I can get you with the phone too. Make sure we get a good visual of it. Look at that. Dang. That's a complete shame. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's a shame. That was Like I said, down up underneath there. Dan has got the axe. Sweet. Is it an old one?
Yeah.
Cool. Where's Dan? Alright, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to show you this real quick. Look at that.
Yeah,
Number 2. Here we go. Check that out. She's a whopper. Okay. Man stuff right there. There it is. That's what gave me all that trouble.
What is it?
Drawer pull.
Oh,
cover.
yeah.
A fancy one.
Gotta be for, what did it reach, 90?
99 at one point. Yeah. All brass. I don't know. That's a nice axe here. I'm looking for one of them doubles.